Okay. See, in the last class, we had a discussion about enterprise structure, and we have seen how to create the enterprise structure. Then we have seen how to create the fiscal year, and we have understood what are the different types of fiscal year we have, and how to configure it. Then we have seen how to what is posting period and how we can create the posting periods. And we have assigned fiscal year variant and posting period to our company code. So now we will dive into field status variant. So basically in the field status variant, the field status variant is the collection of field status group. Okay. So it is the collection of field status group, and the field status variants enables to define required fields during entry of transaction and which fields are set to optional and suppressed. See, basically what happens in FICO, we used to post the journal entries. Okay. So whenever we are posting any of the transactions, so during the posting in the posting screen, once again. Okay. So during the posting, so whatever the fields we will get, so those fields we can make it required, we can make it optional, we can make it display. So those fields we can control it using field status variant with respect to the field status group. Okay. So field status group is maintained in the GL account. This field status group we are going to maintain in the GL accounts, and field status group defines the fields while posting to GL. Okay. While we are posting to GL, we are going to define this. Okay. So in other words, field status group defines a field as optional, suppress, and mandatory. In the field status group, we can define which fields. See, basically this is based on the client requirement. So based on the client requirement, we can make any of the field is required, any of the field is optional. I will show you here. If you I will show you here. If you go to, just I'm showing you this. So we have FB50T code. So that is to post jail account. I will enter my company code. What was my company code? I have, what company code I have created? Mm,
Tech Lab.
okay. So I will go to this FB50 TLUS. If you use TLUS, see here. So you can see these fields. Okay. So these fields you can make it required and you can make it optional. So let's say if you want to make this reference field as optional, you can make it optional. If you want to make document header text is required, you can make it required. If you go to details, so see whichever field you want to make it optional required, you can make it. Okay. So that we will see practically later point of time. So this is called fields. So using this field status group, we can customize it. See below, so we can make it suppress. Suppress means we can hide. Okay. Optional means we can make the screen optional. It will be blank. Required means so it is a must field. We'll have to enter. Display means it will only display. Okay. Now, now see how to define, how to configure the field status variant. So we have this transaction code. Okay. So we'll have to copy the standard 0001. Let me show you. So you can go with the OBC4T code or else you can go with the path. So basically I use paths while during the training. Okay. So I'll go to SIMG, then financial accounting, then what is that? Financial accounting global settings and ledger. Financial accounting global settings and ledger. And here we have field. Here we have fields. And here you will find defined field status variant. If you click on this, so here standard SAP has provided standard field status variants. Okay, one second. It will take time sometime. See, so these are the field status variant. So this is the standard. Okay. So if you click on this, double click on this, sorry, select the line item. So whenever, see, this is our line. If you want to select the entire line item, you'll have to click on this. Then go to field status group. Double click on field status. See, these are all the field status group G001. So in the coming session, we'll understand what are all these field status group. Okay. And if you, let's say if you have used it while creating the GL account, so this field status group, we are going to define it in the GL account. I will show you. So I will open one screen, another screen. I will go to FS00T code that is used to create the GL account. See, if you go here, see TLUS we have. Okay, so as of now, we don't have any GL accounts because we have not created. I will open the standard. I will open 0001 company code. See, you can see these are all the GL accounts. If you double click on any one, see, you can see in the create bank here, we are going to define the field status group. Okay. So this is for accumulated depreciation. So these are all we'll see in the coming session. So these field status group we are going to assign in the GL account. With respect to this, if you are using this GL account to post the transaction, if you double click on this, see general data we have, see whichever you want to make it, suppress, required, optional, you can make it. Okay. Next entry, see you can enter material, whichever the field you want to make it required, optional, you can make it. So this is the use case. In the interview, they will ask what is field status variant and why it is used. You will have to spell field status variant is used to control the fields of the document posting while posting the document. So we will be having, it is a group of field status groups. So where we are going to assign it to the GL account where we can control the fields at the time of posting. Okay, so here I will create my own field status variant. So what I will do here, I will select the standard one, then I will go to copy. Okay, click on this copy. So here I will give my own, let's say TL, I will go TFSV. So Tech Labs field status variant. Okay, I will create one field status variant. Tech Labs field status variant. Enter. See what you are reading. Entry is already exist. Or else I will give TL field status, TLFS. Enter. See, click on copy all. See, 49 field status groups are there. It has been copied. See, it has been copied. Save it. Save. See, if you double click on this, sorry, if you click on this, if you go to field status, see all the field status groups has copied. See, all the field status groups has copied. See, total 49. Okay, now we have created field status variant. Now we'll have to assign that field status variant to the company code. So go to this and here we'll have to assign position our company code TL and here we have TLIN. This is TLFS and even for US, see, I'm going to assign same for both the company codes. See, TLFS. See, as I had done here. Yeah, see, we have assigned the field status variant. Save it. Save. Any doubts in this field status variant? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Now we'll jump to tolerance group. So this is also one of the important configuration that we will have to do. Tolerance means where tolerances group defines posting authorization of users in SAP ERP system. Okay. So tolerance group is used to define the authorization to post the document. Okay, we'll have to define the tolerances. So these posting permissions define the amount that certain groups of accounting clerks are allowed to post. Okay, so let's say you have a junior accountant, accountant, and senior accountant. So junior accountant will be having some sort of authorization. Let's say he has a tolerance of particular value. Okay, so within that value, he has to post the document. Accountant has some higher, senior accountant has much higher. So those authorizations we are going to define it in the tolerance group. So SAP tolerance group determines various amount limits for employees and predefine the maximum amount an employee is permitted to post. The maximum amount the employee can post as a line item in the customer or vendor account. The maximum cash discount percentage the employee can assign in a line item and maximum allowed tolerances for payment differences for the employee. So basically, we will be having different kinds of tolerances. Like, so see, let's say if you are posting customer invoice, vendor invoice, or GL posting. So any of the posting, if you are making it, you can do the employee tolerances. So for the particular line item, this much of amount can be posted by the particular accountant. Okay, whether it may be vendor account, whether it may be customer account, whether it may be GL account. And also you can define the tolerances for the cash discounts, so that the cash discount should be allowed for the particular employee. And also you can define the payment difference tolerances. So all these three kind of tolerances we can define in the tolerance group. Okay, so that is the use case of the tolerance group. So in accounting, tolerance are divided into three groups. There are employee tolerance we can define. Say, let's say you two are the employees. So I'm going to give for Omera, I'm going to give, you can only post up to 5 lakh of document, and for Rubia I can give up to 10 lakh. Okay, so based on that, I will see in SAP we can set the configuration for the particular employee tolerance. Okay, so you can post within that limit itself. So general ledger account tolerances means, let's say if you have a particular GL general ledger account. Let's say if you have electricity GL account, rent GL account, miscellaneous expenses GL account. So for each GL account we can set the tolerance. So let's say if you are making a payment for the rent, let's say every month you are going to post it for the 20,000. Okay, for that particular GL account, which are going to incur for the rent expenses, that will be posted only 20,000. If it is exceeding or if it is lesser, it won't allow. Those types of tolerances we are going to call it as a general ledger account tolerances. Then customer and vendor tolerance we can define. For the particular customer, we can set the tolerance. He can post up to this value of the document. Okay, same way for vendor. Okay, so based on the requirement we can set these tolerances. Okay, so you see here we have an example. So let's say we have chief financial officer, he can post up to 50 lakh of document. Senior manager can post 30 lakh, manager can post 25 lakh, accountant can post 15 lakh, and accountant executive will post 5 lakh. So based on the higher levels we can set the tolerances to post the document. For this, SAP has given a mandatory configuration to set the tolerance group. Without setting up the tolerance group, you cannot process any of the document. So for that, see, we have defined tolerance group for GL account. Okay. So you can go with the T codes or you can go with the path. I will go with the path. So already I am in this path. See, I will close this. So SNG, financial accounting. See, IMG means SIMG, don't forget that. See, general ledger accounting and business transaction. General ledger accounting, business transaction, then open item clearing, then here we have clearing differences, and here we have, see, all the three types. Define tolerance group for GL account, define tolerance group for employee, define tolerance, assign user to tolerance group. We can assign it. Okay. So here I will go with the defined tolerance group for GL account. See, this is for GL account. First, we are going to do the configuration for GL account. See, here I will click on this. Now we'll have to click on new entry. So basically, see, as part of this training, I'm creating null group. I'll keep it as a blank. I'm not going to specify the particular tolerance. Okay. I will tell you why in the later point of time. I will go with the null tolerance group. So enter your company code TLIN. Uh, GL tolerance. See here, you can set the limit. Okay, you can set the limit. Let's say I will set the limit as 100, 100. Okay, so if you want to make 100, 100, so later I will show you at the time of document putting. Just save it. If you want to make it blank, you can make it blank. Okay, we have said I am not going to maintain any percentage here. So this is our TLIN tolerance group. I will create one more for one other company. TLUS. This is for US tolerance group. 100, 100. Save. See, I have created null tolerance group. Why? I will tell you later. If you want to create, if you want to give the tolerance group name, these tolerance group we will have to define. See, this is GL tolerance group. Okay. So this, whatever the group we are going to create, that we'll have to assign it at the time of creation of GL account. That I will explain you later. Now I have created GL tolerance group. Now I will create employee tolerance group. Okay. So here we have tolerance group for employees. So here also I'll create the null. Go to new entry. So this is very important. Group I'm going to create null TLIN. Then see amount per document. Okay, amount per document. Let's say I will make it as 100. So later amount per open item. See per document per open item means. So let's say I will explain you. So let's say we have multiple items. See, let's say I will go with the Excel only. Let's say we have one is electricity expenses. Then we have rent expenses. Then we have miscellaneous expenses. Okay. So rent expenses we have 10,000. Electricity expenses, rent expenses we have 25,000, and miscellaneous expenses we have 15,000. Okay. So this is my entire document. Let's say this is my document. Okay. So these are all items, item number. So this is item 1, item 2, and item 3. Okay. So these are all item 3. And these are all expenses, and these are all values. So this is my whole, this is my document. This is my document. So this is my document. And one second. Okay. Total we have 50,000. Okay. So this total document value is 50,000, and this is item value. So these are all item value. Here you can see amount per document. So if you are posting this entire document, this is my total value. We can set a limit for this. Let's say I will set this fees for 1,000. Sorry. Okay. And amount per item means this one. Per item we can restrict. Okay. I will make it as 100. So later I will come here and I will explain you. Okay. I will show you at the time of testing. So cash discount per line item, payment differences, this I will discuss with you later. Okay. We have a separate configuration for this. Just save it. I have created for Indian company code. Go to next entry and I will make it for TLUS. Okay. So this is also I will I will make the same. Just save it. Enter. So this we have done. Next, we'll have to assign user to tolerance group. So see, I have my own user. See, I have given you server credentials, right? So you have your own usernames like this. So that we will have to do it here. So here, go back and assign user to tolerance. Click on this. And here, what is my user? My user is, see, 292 user 144. 292. See, we don't have. So we'll have to define. So click on new entry. 292 user 144. Enter. See, and save. That's it. I haven't. Without these configuration, see, without these configuration, you are unable to process for any of the document posting. Okay, clear now. So hope you got this. What is document? What is item and all. Now, any doubts in this? In tolerance group? If you have any questions, you can ask. Next, I will.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now I will go to document types and number ranges. So this is also very, see, every topic is important. Okay. So whatever I'm explaining in the, see, what is the use of fiscal year? What is the use of posting period? Try to understand in that way. What is the practical use of field status variant? What is the practical use of tolerance group? This you will have to understand. Then only you can understand the business process. Then only you can understand the concepts. Now I will dive into document type. Observe here. Okay. See, one second. Okay. Okay. So document type key is used to distinguish between different business transaction. So basically document type is a key or it is a code which is used to distinguish between different business transaction. We will be having different business transactions. Okay. And to classify the accounting document, what type of document we are posting. With the help of document type, we can define which type of accounting document we are posting it. Okay. It is also used to determine the number range for documents and account types such as asset account, material account, vendor account, etc. for the posting. So let's say, see, SAP has given standard document type. See, SA is for general ledger account, AB is for general document, KR is for vendor invoice, KZ is for vendor payment, DR is for customer invoice, DZ is for customer payment. Okay. So these are all the type of documents we are posting it. Okay. So these are the standard we will use. We are not going to customize this. So these are the, see, if you want to customize, you can customize it. Okay. So these are the standard document type we are going to use. So now we will focus on this SA and AB because we need to work on that. One second. Okay. Now, see, this is our document type. This with the help of this document type, we can classify the accounting document. So if it is document type is KR means you can list out all. See, and also this document helps us to generate the financial report. Let's say if you want to generate a financial report of vendor invoice, okay, vendor invoice. With the help of this KR document, you can generate. If you want to generate a GL accounts with the help of SA document, you can get. If you want to generate customer invoice report with the help of DR, you can specify. Okay. And also we can customize these document types. This is about the document type. Next. And also this document types, for these document types, we will have to define the document number ranges. See, document number range is SAP uniquely identifies every transaction within a fiscal year in the company code. Number range means, see, let's say if you are posting hundreds of documents, okay, every document has its own unique number. Okay, That SAP will provide you automatically. For that, we will have to define the number range. Let's say for essay document, whatever the document I will post, it will start from 1,000 to 1,999. So whatever the document you will post, it will lies in between these two. If it exceeds, again we'll have to extend this. Okay, this is the number range. These number range we'll have to assign it to our document type. Okay, now we'll define this steps to configure the document type and number ranges. So for that, I see we have OBA70 code. You can go to OBA70 code, or else you can go with the path. So I will go with the path, or you can go with the OBA7. Go to OBA7. See here, if you go to SA, the SA document. See, if you double click on this, see, by default we have standard. See, SA document type, GL account document. Okay, number range 01 already assigned. See, AB is for reverse document type, and we can allot for asset accounting, custom accounts receivable, accounts payable, material, GL, and all. Okay, so if you go to number range information, now here with respect to our company code, we will have to define. See, with respect to our company code. So here I will have to define my company code TLIN. Enter. Click on this intervals. Observe here. See, we don't have any because this is my new company code. So here number and number, what I will do, I will give 01 year, current year 2025, and this I will start from 1,000,000 to 1,999. See, I have created number range for this. Okay. See, 01, I have assigned already here. You can see here 01. Okay. Now, so what are the document types we have here? See, AB, KR, KZ, DR, DZ. So all these will have to assign the number range. So next I will go to AB. AB is not required because that is reversal. Na? If you go to AB, double click on this. See, by default it is 01 only. If you want to define different one, you can
Sir,
define. Yes, tell me.
sir, may I
See,
know why number range is used?
see, whenever you are posting any document, okay. So the moment once you post one document, the particular document contains one number. Okay. If you have posted hundreds of document, for all hundreds of document, each document contains one number. Okay. That SAP will provide you automatically based on this configuration. Okay. SAP will assign those documents. I will show you later point of time. Okay. Why it is used. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now again, I will go to OBS 7. Okay. So AB is for reversal. Now I will go to KR. I am not going to do AB, KR. So position KR. See, KR is for vendor invoice. See, double click on this. So KR we have 119. See, 19 number range. So click on this number range and enter your company code. I will use 19. So click on this, insert new line. Number range 19 is there. Standard 2025. You can change that as well. That will have to assign it. And here I will use mm, from 20000 to 29999. See, save, save. Okay. See. Or else if you want to change this, you can change it before posting it. Okay, now go back. Now we have what? KZ document. So go back. So here we have KZ. Double click on this. 15 is there, na? Number range. Enter this. So what you can do is this is 15, na? So enter 15 here. 2025. Better you go with 150000. This is 159999. So you can easily recognize this. So this I will delete. This I want to change. I will change this. Just delete this. Save. Because with respect to this 15, I have created 15. Just go back. Save. Again, what I will do here, I will go to KR only. Untick this. Sorry, double click on KR. This is 19. Na? So enter your company code. See that I have deleted 19. So here I will give 19 2025 190000, and here 190000 I have given, and here I will give 1999 sorry, yeah, perfect. But here it is okay. Yeah, this is different. This is okay. Fine. Save. See, it should not be coincide. Now, now, so next DR document. I'll go to customer invoice. Go back. Now position DR. Double click on DR. So this is also 19. Oh, sorry. We need to go to DR. Na? So here we have double click on DR. See why KR is coming? Because it is selected. Deselect all and go to DR. See 18 we are getting. Click on this. Enter your company code. So here I will click on this. So here it is 18. Na? 18 2025. And here it is 180000 189999. Enter. Click save. Save. Go back. Go back. See, we have created for DR. Now DZ. Go back. And where is DZ? Here we have DZ. Double click on this. DZ 14. So enter. Intervals. Click on plus button. 14 2025. Then 14 0000. 149999. See, I have created these number ranges. Save it. See, for one company code, I have created it. For a one company code, I have created. Okay. Now I want to create same for another company code, but it will take time, na? Okay, it will take time. So how to copy number range from company code? You can copy document number range from source company code to your target company code with OBH1T code. Okay, or else you can go with this path. I will go to T code OBH1 slash n OBH1. So here just give okay. So here, so number range number. So we have given 0, 1, and this is up to 19 we have given, number range number. Do you remember what is this number range number? We have given 0, 1, 19, 14. From 0, 1 to 19 I have selected. Okay, this is general. What is fiscal year? 2025 only. This is also 2025. Source company code. I have created for TLIN. Target company code is TLUS. Observe here. Now, See, you got it, no? This. So you'll have to select this general. So this number range we have created, no? 01 to 19 means it will come whatever. See, we have 14, okay, we have 18, we have 16. All those will be covered here. Now execute. The moment you execute, you have changed your setting. Do you really want to do this? Yes, I want to do this. See, intervals added. Okay. Now to test it, see intervals has copied. Now if you go here into OB A70 code, now observe, let's say I will check with SA document. Double click on this, go to number range information and enter TLUS. We have not created, we have copied this. If you go to display here, see you are getting all. So this is how you can copy all the number ranges from one company code to another company code. I hope this is clear, right? Okay. So later I will show you whenever you are posting any document, if you are posting essay document, so for the particular document, the number will create whatever we have defined. Okay. So that I will show you later. Next, we have posting key. So basically, posting key refers to the double digit numerical key that defines to control the entry process, to control the entry processes of document line item in an FI transaction. These posting keys, why this is, yeah, yeah. So these posting keys specify whether the line item is debited or credited entry. It also specifies screen layout of the item. So basically, SAP has provided standard posting keys. So standard SAP system delivers standard posting key. You can use standard posting key and modify or changes as per the business organization. And posting key in SAP controls the entry in the line item, whether the particular line item has to debit, has to credit. See this credit and debit, basically we use credit, debit, vendor credit, reversal. So basically in SAP, we are going to use, instead of this, we are going to use these keys. See 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit. This is for general ledger account. If for vendor invoice, 31 is for vendor credit, 32 is for reversal. So we have plenty of, what happened? Yeah. So we have plenty of posting keys, okay, for each line item. So here we are not going to create anything. So let's say if you are posting the salary expenses. So salary expenses should be debit, DR you can see. So 40 posting key will have to use. Cash account should be credited. Okay. See here we are going to use 1000. So same way here. If you are creating purchase account should be debited. Okay. And here vendor account should be credited, 31. So same, so these are the standard posting keys we are going to use. It defines the type of the line item, whether it is credited or debited. Okay. So to check this, OB41 is the T code. I'll go to OB41/n OB41, and here you can see. Let's say I will go to 40. And also another use case of this posting key is, let's say I will go to 40 or 50. See, credit, don't change anything in the standard SAP system. And also it helps us to maintain the field status. If you click on this, see, we can control the fields as we did in field status group, same it is reflecting here. Okay. So if you are using particular posting key, with respect to this particular posting key, these fields can be controlled. See, I will tell you, OB41 T code is very important. You should remember. Along with that, OB41, you will have to remember this OB47 T code, what we have used in the field status, sorry, OB C4 T code. Okay. OBC4 is very important to remember, and OBA7 is important, and OB41. Okay. So these three are very important. Whenever you find any issues, so most of the cases you will come to these T codes. So this is our posting keys. See, we have plenty of posting keys. Okay, no need to do anything. Don't change anything in the standard data. Okay, so this is about the posting key. Any doubts in this? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so next we have chart of account. So chart of account I will show you tomorrow. Okay, so but before that I will explain you what is chart of account. So any idea about the chart of account? Anyone? What is chart of account? As you are from commerce background, I should you know this. What is chart of account? If you know the answer, you can answer. If you don't know, please say no. We don't know.
No, sir. I don't.
Okay. See, chart of account basically it is a group of GL accounts that records organizational transaction in a structured way. Each each GL account number, name, and each GL account consists of account number, name, and control information. Okay, this is called chart of account. So chart of account is nothing but it is a group of GL accounts which records organizational transaction in a structured way where we are going to define the GL accounts. And FI chart of account represent list of GL accounts used to meet the daily needs and operating country's legal requirement. And master data of account, chart of account must be assigned to each company code. See, we have three types of chart of account: operational chart of account, country chart of account, and group chart of account. So operational chart of account contains all the GL account that we are going to use for the daily needs in the company. Operating chart of accounts has assigned to a company code. So we are going to whatever the daily needs we are going to like electricity expenses, rent expenses, miscellaneous expenses, stationary expenses, whatever the expenses will that are going to incur, that we are going to use operating chart of account. Next, we have country chart of account. So it contains all list of all the GL accounts that are required to meet operating country's legal requirement. Okay. You can also assign a company chart of account to a company code. And group chart of account means this group contains list of all the GL accounts that are used by the entire company. So we are going to use group chart of operating chart of account. Okay. So here we have example. Basically we use see GL name, company code A. We are going to see salary expenses. I'm going to use this. Company code expenses. I'm going to use this. Same, but group chart of account would be different. Okay. So basically we use operating chart of account, and I will show you tomorrow what are these, what are all the things we'll have to configure in the chart of account. Okay. So any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask so that we can discuss and we can end up the session. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So do practice and do share the screenshot if whatever the tasks you have done. Okay. And see,
Okay.
and one more thing, whatever the data you are going to create, maintain in the Excel sheet. So what is your company? What is your company code? Hmm? What is your field status variant, what is your tolerance group and all. Okay, maintain one Excel sheet. In that you can have all those things. Clear? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you very much. Bye bye, have a good day. We'll continue tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye.